Okay, good evening, all you prudent speculators and patient profiteers. This is Trader Rob. We're going to go over position in our options portfolio, one of them called the 25 Challenge, and this is going to be XLE. So let me mark up the chart here a little bit. By the way, don't send me the hate mail about how I draw these fibs. It's how I do it. It works fine. I don't need to pull the extension tool up and down. So this is going to do what I needed to do here. So this is the XLE, the ETF that tracks the large integrated oils like Exxon, ConocoPhillips, Chevron, etc. We've had oil now on the commodity crude oil today, which is December 4th, Friday, December 4th, 2015. We've had it close below 40. So we've had a position that was started yesterday in XLE. We got one more setup, which I want to go through, and then we'll take a look at the options. So here on the chart, decent little bullish looking reversal candle. Clearly this is a bear continuation pattern, but we bounced right off the 382 at about a little below 64, 63.81. And then as you can see down here, that's where we got our RS3 signal, our RS3 severe oversold condition on the daily. You can also, depends on how you like to see these lines, you could sort of draw a trend line here, seeing that we basically held that trend line, and then if you wanted to turn it into a channel, something like this is what my eye sees. So we went with the Decembers. It doesn't give us a lot of time. We're on the 67s. We'll take a look at it in just a moment. But we do have plenty of price improvement because it's a position that's down about 50% from our entry. So XLE long via calls, December calls. Let's take a look at the actual position. So here's the position. 5 is a full position for us. We generally trade between 3 and 5 contracts, directionally only, and no day trading. So we'll occasionally come in and out of a trade during the same day if it really works in our favor, but we don't do more than 3 trades in a 5 consecutive period, so you can trade this with any size account. So there it is. That's the XLE December 67.5 call. You see our average cost base is over $1, and it's now been cut in half. So we're not going to do anything with it. I think if we do see a print down around 15, we'll just cut it. We don't like to let things go to zero. So at about 15 is probably where we're going to have our stop on this. And we will not be adding to it because we kind of have a full position with a cost value of 522. So we looked at the chart already. Again, XLE on the long side. The other position that we have in here, market's really schizophrenic again today. I was listening to Carter Worth on Fast Money. He was like, it's a little maddening for technicians, the kinds of movements we get, like 2.5% moves on large indices like the QQQs. So we were actually on the right side of the Qs on the drop, made some nice money there, and then flipped it maybe a little bit too early. Cost basis 117 on the 114 puts, which we made money on, a lot of money on just yesterday on Thursday. Today, market reversed all the way back up, almost closed higher. So we got into these at about, I don't know, something like 45 cents lower than we had them initially. So we also have the Qs. So long XLE, short via puts on the Qs. Those are our positions. If you'd like to learn more about how we trade options directionally for daily income and wealth building, you can go to VPT Live and check out our blog. Plenty of information about our various products and services and how we trade them up. This is Rod with VPT Live, reminding you to always trade like you mean. Have a super weekend. We'll see you at the next update.